Hello, Green Thumbs! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of gardening with a step-by-step guide to growing collard greens. Step 1. Choose your spot wisely. Collard greens love full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil, so pick a location accordingly. Step 2. Time to plant. Sow the seeds a 1/4 inch deep and space them 2–4 inches apart. Remember, spring or early summer is the best time to sow your seeds. Step 3. Water regularly but don't overdo it. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Step 4. Thin out seedlings as they grow to maintain a space of 12–18 inches between plants. This helps them grow strong and healthy. Step 5. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer once a month to give your collard greens the nutrients they need to thrive. Step 6. Harvest the leaves when they reach a size of about 6–8 inches wide for baby greens or up to 12 inches wide for mature leaves. The harvest typically takes around 30–60 days after sowing. And finally, Step 7. Savor your homegrown collard greens in salads, soups, wraps, and more. They're versatile and delicious. So there you have it, a simple guide to growing collard greens. Remember, gardening is a rewarding hobby that not only brings fresh produce to your table, but also offers stress relief and connection with nature. So roll up your sleeves and get growing. Thanks for watching, gardeners! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting!